Okay, so here we are in Buffalo Bayou. We launched out of the spaghetti warehouse downtown, and we're at the railroad tracks now by Memorial Park. Approaching 610 Loop. I thought it would be a little more scenic, especially downtown part, but every bridge we went under downtown just smelled like human feces and urine from all the bumps. Not very exciting. Some homes outside of River Oaks on the bank. See, there's the street lights for 610 Loop. Having a little bit of problems with the 8-horse today and the strong current. Should have brought my bigger engine. Pep, say hello. She's not too excited about this trip. And there is the 610 Loop Bridge. Let's see if we can get around this crap. Oh, nice turtle over there just jumped in. Bunch of turtles. I'm gonna put the camera down for this one. So I'm not gonna venture it. It looks pretty sketchy going through all that, and I got my daughter with me, so. You can see we got a pretty good current going. I'm in gear and we're not moving at all. All right, we will get more video of downtown. But it can be done. You can go from downtown to 610 Loop on an inboard motor. Click my other videos. I'll hit some more from downtown.